Hi, today we're going to prepare some coconut fish, so I hope you're ready. So we have our ingredients. We have chopped onions, we've chopped some tomatoes depending on the number you want. We have coconut milk ready to make the coconut fish, and we have salt to taste. So let's cook together. So we start by pouring some oil in the pan just to make sure that it's hot, and you add some onions, the chopped onions. So you'll keep stirring the onions so that they cook. So give it a few minutes, and as you stir the onions. So there we are, turning the onions just to make sure they are cooking well. We need them to be brown a bit so that we don't use raw onions. So wow, I love the smell of onions, guys. So as we're talking, please subscribe below, like the video, click the notification bell, add some tomatoes. So I have chopped some tomatoes. Just make sure you add them as you keep stirring. So we want to bring the tomatoes to cook so that we crush them, so that we make some nice sauce for the coconut fish. So give it some time to cook and add some salt to your taste. So once you add the taste, you can stir in the salt. I'm not going to put spices because I want the coconut taste to be felt. So all we'll do is add some salt, and you can see how it is coming out. So add the coconut milk that we had in a bowl. So keep stirring in the coconut milk, and the smell is wow. I love the smell of coconut. I don't know if you guys love coconut smell. So there, keep stirring in the coconut milk as we get the fish ready. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Click the notification bell below and like the video for me as we continue to cook coconut fish. So there we are. We're trying to crush the tomatoes and make sure that it's a nice sauce. So there I am, feeling so it's yummy. So keep stirring. Once the sauce is ready, then we can put in the fried fish, and you can add in the sauce on top of the fish to cover in the fish, so that we have it cooked for a short time. So we keep adding the fish slowly. Add the sauce on top of the fish so that we give it that edge. I'm trying to avoid a lot of stirring because the fish might break into small pieces. Guys, our coconut fish is there. I don't want to put a lot of spices. All I want is a coconut fish. So there we are, and we have our sweet, lovely coconut fish. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.